Hey, what's going on, fellow collectible lovers? Let's talk about Indian head pennies, key dates, and their values. So you want to keep an eye out for these Indian head cents and key dates, which are the 1877, the 1908S, and the 1909S. Indian head pennies are one of the most popular coins to collect. I love them, and many people it's their favored coin for their collection. Despite the name of the coin being an Indian head penny, the obverse actually features a Caucasian Lady Liberty, and it's kind of ironic, as many numismatists note, that the use of Native American liberty motifs on this coin is kind of ironic in the sense that at that time that it was produced, it was in an era where Native Americans had lost most of their lands and were relocated to reservations. However, the use of this motif is to show Lady Liberty donning a Native American headpiece that's traditionally worn by Native American men, and to show a status of unity and liberty amongst all people of the U.S. It was designed by Chief Engraver James B. Longacre. The Indian head cent, or penny, was first minted as a pattern coin in 1858. In 1860, the laurel wreath on the reverse of the coin changed to an oak wreath and shield. So what are a few key dates to keep an eye out for, and what are they generally valued at? A few Indian head cents of note are the 1877, which had an extremely low mintage for this coin, which was 852,500, and it just makes it rather rare and valuable for the low mintage amount and, of course, the age of the coin. The better the grade for the coin or condition of the coin, of course, is the higher the value. The 1909S Indian head penny is also an incredibly low mintage date for the coin. The 1909S had a mintage of only 309,000, which is crazy low. This low mintage amount, and once again, the age of the coin, both aid in the value being quite high for a 1909S Indian head penny. The third key date to look for would be a 1908S Indian head penny, which was the first small denomination coin to bear a branch mint mark. So it's not only key for this coin, but coins in general. Indian head pennies are incredibly valuable, they're very beautiful coins, and many people like collecting them. So what's the value of these key date coins? 1877s are generally pretty valuable. In even low grade condition, they can be around $500. In good condition, around $1,000 to $1,400, and in very fine condition, or in upwards and higher grades, they can see anywhere between $4,000 and $5,000 for one of these coins. A 1909S Indian head penny, generally in good and very good condition, see around $500 to $600. A fine to very fine condition is around $800, and things that are in like MS60 and above can be seen selling for anywhere between $1,500 and $2,000. Now, the 1908S has a little bit lower value, but is still very valuable for an Indian head penny. In good condition, they usually sell for around $100. In high-grade conditions, they can be anywhere between $400 and $1,000 for one of these coins. And then ones that are like incredibly high-grade, almost uncirculated or uncirculated, have sold for well over $5,000 at auction and upwards from there. Let me know what you think about Indian head pennies. Let me know if you collect them and which ones you've come across in your coin searches or in coin shops and hobby shops as you've searched to add to your coin collections. Also, let me know what you've come across in your other coin and bill searches lately in the comments below. I will see you there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.